The 39th Annual New Hampshire Farm, Forest, and Garden Expo, known as New Hampshire's greatest winter fair, will be held on Friday, February 4th from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturday, February 5th, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., 2022 at the Doubletree Hotel, downtown Manchester. This in-person, family-friendly event is open to the public and features a variety of engaging exhibitors, educational workshops, and demonstrations of interest to both the general public and to members of the farm, forest, and garden industries. Come see live animals, children's programs and activities, as well as our new garden and landscaping skills showcase area. Admission is just $10 per person. Ages 12 and under are free. Tickets are available for purchase online now, and as a special thank you, all pre-purchased tickets will be entered into a special drawing for a family getaway at the Inn at East Hill Farm in Troy, New Hampshire, valued at $1,200. We look forward to seeing you at the 39th Annual New Hampshire Farm, Forest, and Garden Expo on Friday and Saturday, February 4th and 5th, 2022 at the Doubletree Hotel, 700 Elm Street, Manchester, New Hampshire. For tickets and more information, visit us on the web at www.nhfarmandforestexpo.org.